Bonjour à tous. Good morning or good day everyone. Today let us see lesson 5. Lesson 5 means lesson 5. Dire no aux produits en plastique. Dire no. Dire means say. Dire means say. Say no to produits en plastic means plastic products. Plastic products. Okay. Now let us go to the first dialogue. Dialogue A. Chez l'épicier means at the grocery shop. Manjula a fait des cours à l'épicerie, mais comme d'habitude, elle n'a pas apporté de sac. Manjula went shopping at the grocery store. Went for shopping at the grocery store. May means but. May means but. Comme d'habitude means as like habitually, but as usual. Comme habitude means as usual. As usual, il n'est pas apporté the sac. She didn't bring sac. Sac means bag. Fine. Now, donc means so. Elle demande un sac en plastique au caissier. She asked a plastic bag. Sac en plastic means plastic bag. Plastic bag to the cashier. Au caissier. To the cashier. Caissier means cashier. Fine? Okay. So now, le caissier. And now the conversation is between the cashier and the Manjula. Pardon, madame. Pardon means sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Le sac en plastic. The plastic bags are banned. Interdit means prohibited. Interdit means prohibited. Okay. Prohibited. Vous le savez bien. Means you know it well. Vous le savez bien means you know it well. Now Manjula is saying ah bon means good. Bon means good. Je ne le savais pas, mais depuis quand? I don't know, but since when? May means but. Depuis means since. Quand means when. But since when? She is asking. Okay. So now, le caissier means the cashier is responding. Depuis means since. Again, le premier janvier. The 1st January. Le gouvernement de Tamil Nadu. The government of Tamil Nadu a ordonné means have ordered. Okay, have ordered that we should not use plastic products. Okay, so now Manjula is responding. Oui. Yes. We means yes. 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 Je n'étais pas en vie. I was not in the city. I was not in the city. We means city. Depuis 6 mois. Since 6 months. 6 means 6. Mois means months. Mois means months. Mois means months. Okay. Months. C'est pourquoi. C'est pourquoi. C'est pourquoi means that's why. C'est pourquoi means that's why. That's why. That's why je n'étais pas au courant de cette nouvelle. Je n'étais pas au courant de cette nouvelle. I was not aware of this news. I was not aware of this news. Nouvelle means news. Okay. Now, le caissier, the cashier, je crois que c'est une bonne initiative du gouvernement. I think that croire means think or believe. Okay, I think that it is a good initiative. Bon means good again. Fine. Bon means good. Initiative is initiative du gouvernement. It is a good initiative of government. Après tout means after all. Après tout means after all. Les produits en plastique sont nuisibles à la santé. The plastic products are harmful. Nuisible means harmful to the health. Santé means health. Santé means health. Et l'environnement, and to the environment. Il faut que, it is necessary that, chaque citoyen, each citizen respect cette nouvelle loi. Respect this new law. Is it not? Respect this new law. En effet means indeed, vous avez raison. Means you are right. Vous avez raison means you are right. Il est important que nous protégions la nature. It is important that we protect the nature. Okay, protection means protect. Protect the nature. Fine. Hope it is clear. Okay, now the conversation is again between the cashier and the Manjula. Okay, so now cashier is saying cette fois-ci means this time. Je vous donnerai un sac en carton. I will give you a cotton bag. Sac en carton means a cotton bag. Mais désormais means but hereafter. Mais means but. Désormais means hereafter. Hereafter, il est nécessaire que, it is necessary that you bring, apporter means bring, vous apportiez votre propre sac. You bring your bag properly. Merci, monsieur. Merci means thank you. Monsieur means sir. Je ne l'oublierai pas. I will not forget. I won't forget it. Vous êtes bien gentil. You are very nice. Gentil means nice. You are very nice. So he is saying that thank you, sir. Uh, I will not forget to bring. You are very nice and leaving the shop. That's all the first dialogue is about. Okay. Now let us see the second dialogue. Second dialogue. Nettoyons les locs. Nettoyons les locs means to clean up the lake. To clean up the lake. Nettoyons means clean. So clean. Le loc means the lake. The lake. Fine. Okay. Now une association, an association prend l'initiative de nettoyer les lacs avec l'aide de volontaires. An association takes, prend means takes, l'initiative means the initiative to clean the lakes with, avec means with, l'aide means the help of volunteers. On dimanche, a Sunday, on dimanche, a Sunday matin means morning. Un groupe de volontaires se rassemble devant le lac. A group of volunteers gathered. Rassemble means gathered. Devant means in front of. The lake of Chitlapakam. Okay. And banlieue means in the suburbs. In the suburbs. Okay. Now, coming to this. Secrétaire de l'association. Secretary of the association. Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour means good morning, good day. Mes amis means my friends. Mes amis means my friends. Je vous remercie de votre participation enthousiaste à notre appel. I would like to thank you all for your enthusiastic participation in response to our call. Notre appel means our call. Notre appel means our call. Okay. Now, aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today. Aujourd'hui means today. On va nettoyer le lac. We are going to clean the lake. D'abord means first of all. D'abord means first of all. D'abord means first of all. Nous allons éliminer les plantes aquatiques. We have to remove the waste aquatic plants. Okay. Then, puis means then. Nous allons enlever les déchets en plastique. We have to remove. Enlever means remove. Déchets en plastique qui traînent sur le rivage. Remove the plastic waste lying on the banks. Rivage means on the sides. Ensuite, Ensuite means after that or later. Later or later on. Nous le mettrons dans des boîtes en carton. After that or later, we will put them in the cardboard box. Boîte en carton means cardboard box. Fine. Boîte en carton means cardboard box. Cardboard boxes. Okay. Then tous les matins, un camion viendra les emporter. Tous les matins means every morning. Tous les matins means every morning. Every morning. And camion means a truck. Camion means a truck. A truck viendra les emporter will come to take them away. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Nous sommes très heureux. We are very happy. Très heureux means very happy. Nous sommes très heureux de nous associer à cette initiative. We are very happy to be associated with this new initiative. On est sensible à la protection de l'environnement. We are committed. Sensible means committed. Sensible means committed to the protection of the environment. Fine? Hope it is clear? Okay. Now, secretary again. Bravo. Bravo is well said. You are good. Nous avons une trentaine de balais et des pelles. We have about 30 brooms and shovels. We have about 30 brooms and shovels. Balai means brooms. Pelle means shovels. Fine. Then il y a aussi des râteaux et des poubelles. There are aussi means also des râteaux. Des râteaux means rakes, some rakes, and some poubelle. Poubelle means dustbins. Poubelle means dustbins. Okay. Then un jeune volunteer, an young volunteer. Jeune means young. Monsieur means sir. Avez-vous des gants et des masques? You have some gloves and some masks. Gants means gloves. Mask means mask. You have some gloves and some masks. And the other person, secretary, is now responding. Des gens means some blouses. Nous en avons pliant genoux. We have a lot. Young man, we have a lot. Pliant means a lot. Pliant means a lot. We have a lot, young man. Genoux means young man. Genoux means young man. Then, une volontaire. Il faut que nous portions des gens avant de ramasser les ordures. it is necessary to wear the gloves before picking up the garbages. Okay, ramasser means picking up, the odur means garbages. Odur means garbages. Fine. Okay, now the last sentence, secretary. We means yes, tout à fait, absolutely. Tout à fait means absolutely. Mettons-nous un petit groupe et allons-y. Let us break into small groups and we go there. Okay, petit group means small groups and we go there. So merci beaucoup, bonne journée.